Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths लगे रहो. In today's class we are learning integration MCQ remaining questions dear students. Now let us see the question number 32. What I had asked, the value of integration 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x into dx. So is equal to what? In this 4 option, which is the correct one, we have to see. Very easy question dear students. So first I will write, give the name for this. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin x whole divided by 4 plus 3 cos x into dx dear students. This I will call as equation number 1. So by using Queen formula dear students. Queen formula means what? You see here 0 to a f of x into dx. We can write 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. This is called as Queen formula, and these are the definite integral properties dear students. Properties of definite integral. This is also one of the property dear students which I had already solved in 6 marks integration dear students. In playlist you go and check 6 marks integration you will get. So now see here, what the Queen formula will say, x is replaced by a minus x. x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a minus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 0 to a ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ a ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು, x ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು a minus x ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. a ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು see here 0 to a ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು pi by 2. a means what here? Pi by 2. So we will substitute wherever x is there. ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, a minus x ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, a minus x ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ a minus x ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ log of 4 plus 3 sin a minus x ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? a means what? x is here sin x. x means a minus x. a means pi by 2 minus x. Clear? Similarly 4 plus 3 cos a minus x. Again cos x. x is replaced by a minus x. That is pi by 2 minus x into dx. I hope everyone you have understood this. So x idalle a minus x hakidini. a means pi by 2. So now see what will happen here. 0 to pi by 2 integration log of 4 plus 3 sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x. Sin 90 minus x is cos x. 4 plus cos 90 minus x is sin x into dx. I will call this as equation number 2. So adding 1 and 2. What? Adding 1 and 2. So equation 1 and 2 I will add dear students. So then add it. LHS will add I plus I. 2I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 is same for equation 1 also equation 2. 0 to pi by 2 I will write as it is dear students. So now see what will happen. Equation 1 is log of 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x. Next up, equation 1 I am adding, equation 2 also I have to add now. So 1 plus 2 I have to do plus, what is the equation 2 is log of 4 plus 3 cos x divided by 4 plus 3 sin x into dx dear students. I hope it is clear everyone. Understood everyone this how to add. So this is looking like how you observe here. Log a plus log b. Log a plus log b is what? Log a into b dear students. So what is the formula we can write? This I will write 2i integration of 0 to pi by 2 log a plus log b andre log a into b. So log a into b you can write. Log a is what? 4 plus 3 sin x divided by 4 plus 3 cos x into a into b will do now. A is this, b is this. B is what? 4 plus 3 cos x divided by 4 plus 3 sin x into dx. All will agree with this what I had written. So log a plus log b. A andre idu, b andre idu. So log a plus log b andre log a into b agutte. Artha aita? A into b. So 4 plus 3 sin x, 4 plus 3 sin x get cancelled. Into is there, that's why you can cancel. 4 plus 3 cos x, 4 plus 3 cos x will get cancelled. I will erase, dear students, this below formula. So for your understanding purpose, I have written this. Because I need a space for writing the answer, dear student. So now see here, what will happen? Observe, that is 2y is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Here you are remaining with only 1, dear students. All are get cancelled, 1 is remaining. Log 1 is how much? Log 1 is 0, dear students. Log 1 value is 0. Integration of 0 is 0, dear students. 2y is equal to 0. If you take 2 on below, 0 by 2 is 0 only will get. So our answer is what? 0. That is matching with C, dear students. C for Congo. Congo is the answer, dear students. I hope it is clear, everyone. Please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 33. Integration of square root 1 plus x square dx is equal to what? We have a formula, dear students. Integration of, actually we will write it as x square plus a square. But according to question, I will write here, instead of x square plus a square plus x square I will write. Both are same only. A square plus x square or x square plus a square, both are same only, dear students. Addition is there, that's why. Integration of square root a square plus x square, we have a formula, dear students. What formula we are having? So everyone I know, I think you know. So if you don't know, I will write here x by 2 square root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of mod x plus square root of a square plus x square plus c, dear students. This is the formula, very big formula we are having. Square root of x square plus a square, x by 2 square root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of mod x plus square root of a square plus x square plus c, dear students. So this is the formula, dear students, we have to apply here. So in place of a square, 1 is there. 1 is nothing but what? 1 square is a square only. 1 square if I write, it doesn't make any sense. 1 square is 1 only, dear students. So then I can write like this. So x is also x only. X by 2 I can write square root of what it is? A square plus x square. A square means 1 only we will consider. 1 plus x square. Again here 1 by 2 log of a square means 1 by 2. So a square is what? 1 by 2, dear students. That is log of mod x plus square root of 1 plus x square plus c. This is our required answer, that is matching with option A, dear students. A is the correct answer. A for awesome is correct. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 34. Integration of square root x square minus 8x plus 7 dx is equal to what? In this 4 option, which is the correct one, we have to say. So easily you can find, dear students, this one. So now see here, x square minus 8x plus 7, we will take it out from the root of x square minus 8x plus 7. I am taking out of the root. ಅದನ್ನ root ದಿಂತ್ರ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೊಳ್ಳಿ root ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ a minus b whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? a square minus 2ab plus b square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ. x square minus 8x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ a square means x square. A means what here? X, dear students. A square I got minus 2a. A means what? X. Now how much I have to get? 8x I have to get. Then b value should be what? 8x ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ b value ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? into 4 ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ 2x into 4 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 8 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, minus 8x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ b square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 4 square ಆಯ್ತಾ? b value is 4 square plus 7 is there. I will write as it is. So now you observe here x square ಇದೆ minus 8x ಇದೆ plus 7 ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, plus 4 square. ಅದನ್ನ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ minus 4 square ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, a square minus 2ab plus b square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? a minus b whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. a minus a ಅಂದ್ರೆ x, b ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a minus b whole square ಇದೆ. 7 4 square ಎಷ್ಟು? 16 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ x minus 4 whole square, 7 minus 16 is minus 9 dear students. ಸೊ minus 9 ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? 3 square ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ? ರೂಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೂಟ್ we have brought this out. Again we will keep in root only dear students. ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ therefore square root of ಏನ್ ಬಂತು? x minus 4 whole square minus 3 square. ರೂಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತರಾನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ mod x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ನೇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬದಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಇದೆ. ಎ ಬದಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? 3 ಇದೆ. 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬದಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 8x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 3 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 ಬೈ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 8x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಗಿದೆ. So we will observe which is the correct one. I think option D is the correct one, I think. So D for Delhi is our correct answer, dear students. So please copy this. We will go for the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 35. Integration of cosec x plus into cosec x plus cot x dx. I'm not well, dear students. My sound it may crack also sometimes. I'm sorry for that. See here what will happen. Cosec x into cosec x, cosec square x into mod cosec x into cosec x, cosec square x plus is there, plus I will write cosec into cot x, cosec x into cot x. dx. I hope it is clear, everyone. So now in integration of cosec square. Integration of cosec square is minus cot x. Integration of cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x, dear students. Plus c. Understood? Integration of cosec square is minus cot x. Integration of cosec x into cot x is minus cosec x plus c. So our answer is matching with option A, dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is the answer. Please copy this. We will go for the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 26. Integration of 2x minus 3 cos x plus e raised to x into dx is equal to what? Very simple question, dear students. Integration of 2x is x square. Yeah, x square only it is. X square derivative is what? 2x, no. 2x integration is x square. That much only. No need of taking 2 outside. Again, the integration of x is x square by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Again, it will remain with x square only, dear students. So that's why, remember, x square derivative is 2x. 2x integration is x square. Minus 3 I will write as is. Integration of cos x, that is sin x, dear students. So e raised to x integration is e raised to x plus c I will write. So this is our required answer. That will match with option, I think B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, dear students. Please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 37. Integration of x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx is equal to. So very easy question, dear students. Observe here carefully. So what is common in this two? In this two, x cube minus x square. What is common? X square is common, dear students. If I take x square common, what we are left with? X minus 1. So ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ? x square ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ x minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So here 1 is common. 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into dx. So again you see in numerator, what is common? X minus 1, x minus 1. You take it x minus 1 common outside. What you are left with? X square plus 1 whole divided by x minus 1 into dx. So this both will get cancelled. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. So integration of 1 is x plus c, dear students. And this is our required answer. That is matching with B. B for bingo. Bingo is our answer. So if you are understanding, so please like my channel. Don't forget, because my fees is that only. So you have to pay my fees now. So you pay fees by liking our channel and comment and subscribe, dear students, those who are new. So this is totally free of cost. So I need your support and help, dear students. So copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 38. Integration of sine 2x minus 4 e raised to 3x is. What is the answer? We have to check here. So integration of sine 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2. Divided by 2 ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ minus 4 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ as is. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? e raised to x. e raised to x integration is e raised to x. x ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ? 3 ಇದೆ. डिवाइड बाय 3 ಮಾಡಿ. So divided by 3. x के साथ क्या नंबर रहता है ना, वो डिवाइड करना है. So plus 6. So that is matching with the option A, dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is our answer. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 39. Integration of sec square x divided by cosec square x dx is what? Sec x square x, how we can write, dear students? Many of the students will write like this. Integration of sec x square is tan x. Integration of cosec square is minus cot x. So exactly wrong answer, dear students. You will get 0 marks. So if you do like this. So now see here. Standard form is there. So this is u by v in that form it is. Directly you can't write integration of x square is tan x and minus cot x cosec square. So now see sec x square you can write it as 1 by cos square dear students. 1 by cos square x is nothing but sec x square. And cosec square means 1 by sin square x. Reciprocal I am taking. So now see. So this will go up. So now I will show you this also. 1 by cos square x. If you take reciprocal, it will become here like this. Sin square x divided by 1 dx. 1 get cancelled. Sin square by cos square is tan square x, dear students. So tan square x we don't have any integration. So we will convert this one. Can you remember this? In बचपन से ही पढ़ रहे हैं. सन मಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. 1 plus tan square is sec x square x. That means tan square x what I can write? Sec x square x minus 1 I can write. Plus 1 ಆ side ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Tan square x I can write like this. Why we are writing? Because we know the integration of this. Sec x square and 1. Integration of sec x square is what? Tan x. Integration of 1 is x plus c. And this is your answer. Minuses are there, I had written already. So that is D. D for Delhi is our answer, dear students. I hope you are understanding this. So we will go for the next question. So I hope you have liked also my channel, dear students. Don't forget, each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. So like to banta hai na, so I can't come and press there. So please you only do that and help me, dear students. Fine? Thank you. You copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 40. Integration of e raised to 2x plus 3 dx is what? So now see, dear students, easily you can write integration of e raised to x is what? E raised to x you can write. Yes. What is x is related with? X jothe ಏನಿದೆ 2 ಇದೆ divide by 2 plus 3. So if it is linear, directly you can consider this as e raised to x. x ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So now see here, this is what D for Delhi is our correct answer. So I hope it is clear. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question, dear students. Integration of tan x into dx is equal to. This is a halva question for you. So easily you can write integration of tan x is log of mod sec x, dear students. So minus log, if it is here minus no, even that is also correct. It is having the two formula, dear students. Integration of tan x is log of mod sec x. Another is minus log mod cos x. Got it? So remember that also. Here it is minus is not there. That's why it is wrong. So option C is the correct. C for cake is our answer. Please copy this. We'll see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 42. Integration of sec x into sec x plus tan x dx is. Now see here how to solve. Sec x into sec x square x plus sec x into tan x. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ sec x ಅನ್ನು. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So sec x into sec x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec x square, sec x into tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec x tan x. So ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ sec x square integration ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan x. Integration of sec x into tan x, sec x, dear students, plus c. So this is our required answer, that is matching with B. B for bingo is our answer, dear students. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 43. Integration of sine of tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square into dx. Easily you can solve, dear students. Observe here. So I will take t is equal to tan inverse x. Put t is equal to what? Tan inverse x. Integration ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಾಗಲೇ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ t ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರದ್ದು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So we have to take the derivative when we are substituting t is equal to something. So derivative of this is what? dt with respect to x, differentiate with respect to x. dt by dx tan inverse x ಅಂದ್ರೆ derivative 1 upon 1 plus x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now dt is equal to how much you will get? You see dx you cross multiply, dx into 1, dx divided by 1 plus x square. Understood? So now see here, we will substitute the values. Sin tan inverse x is what? T. So dx divided by 1 plus x square is what? Dt. So this is what we are getting here. Integration of sin t, integration of sin t the integration minus cos t agate makale plus c. So what is t dear students? T andre enu? Tan inverse x plus c. This is our required answer, that is matching with option C. C for cake. Cake is our answer dear students. So you please copy this, we will see the next question. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 44. Integration of 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x dx is equal to what? Very simple question dear students. Now observe here. Cos square x is dividing 2 also minus 3 sin x also. Cos square x ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 2 ಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 2 divided by cos square x ಮತ್ತೆ 3 sin x ಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So integration of 2 as is I will write 1 by cos square ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec x square x minus 3 sin divided by cos x into 1 by cos x ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ದೆ ಅಂತ? ಸೊ 2 as is 1 by cos square ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec x square, ಇದು cos square, ಇದು sec x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 by cos square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos square ಎರಡು ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು sin ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ 1 by cos x minus 3 sin x into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 3 sin x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cos into cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 2 sec x square x minus 3 sin by cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 by cos ಅಂದ್ರೆ sec ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, sec x into dx. So integration of sec x square 2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. integration of sec x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ so tan x minus 3 as is constant. So tan x into sec x or sec x into tan x integration is sec x dear students. Sec x plus c. This is our required answer. This is matching with option A dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is the answer dear students. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 45. Integration of x square into 1 minus 1 by x square dx is. See a very simple question. Easily you can solve. X square into 1 is x square. X square into 1 by x square, that is x square will get cancelled. You will remain with minus 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? x square into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square into 1 by x square ಅಂದ್ರೆ x square get cancelled, minus 1 will remain. Integration of x square is x cube by 3. Integration of minus 1 is minus x plus c. And this is our required answer, that is matching with option C. C for cake. Cake is our answer dear students. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 46. Integration of square root x minus 1 upon square root x whole square. Very simple. A minus b whole square it is. This is A. A is root x minus b means 1 by root x. A minus b whole square is what? A square. A square means root x whole square plus b square. B square means what? 1 upon square root x whole square minus 2ab. Minus 2a is what? Root x. B is 1 by root x into dx. Root x get cancelled. Square root get cancelled here. So now what you are left with? Integration of x plus square belongs to 1 also, square root also. 1 square is 1. Square root get cancelled. Root x whole square means x will get So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So now we have to take the integration. Integration of x into dx. I will do because many of you will not understand. That's why integration of 2 into dx. Correct? So this is what I can write. Integration of x is x square by 2 plus 1 by x integration is log mod x. 2 you can take it out, minus 2 constant. Here what you will left with? 1 will be left. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 into minus 2 into x is minus 2x plus c. So ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ತರ ಆಗಿದೆ. So we have to observe which is the correct option here. That is B for bingo. Bingo is our answer, dear students. Understood? So please copy this. We will see the next question. We will see the next question, dear students. Question number 47. Integration of e raised to tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx is equal to. Very easy, dear students. So here also put t is equal to tan inverse x, dear students. Something similar question we have solved now. So now differentiate with respect to x, dt by dx. Tan inverse x derivative is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So cross multiply, dt is equal to dx into 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square, dear students. Now substitute the values. E raised to tan inverse x. Tan inverse x andre enu t. E raised to t, it will become dx divided by 1 plus x square andre enu dx divided by 1 plus x square andre dt. So integration of e raised to t is e raised to t plus c. T andre tan inverse x plus c, dear students. This is our required answer, that is matching with option C, dear students. C for Congo. Congo is the answer, dear students. Please copy this. We will go for the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 48. Integration of sec x square 7 minus 4x dx is equal to what? So very simple question. How it is looking like sec x square x? Sec x square x. This linear idre ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, x ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Sec x square x integration is tan x, dear students. Tan x. But x is related with what? Minus 4. Many of the students will write divided by 4 they will do. X is relate 4 is there. Divided by 4. You will get 0 marks if you write like that. So x is minus 4 is makkale. Minus 4 anna bariri nimage marks sikke sigata. So divided by minus 4 and this answer is matching with option that is B, dear students. B for bingo is our answer. Don't take C answer because it is dividing by 4, not minus 4. Here minus 4 is divided. Minus is taken above. So that's why B for bingo is our answer, dear students. Please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 49. Integration of e raised to x, x raised to 5 plus 5 into x raised to 4 plus 1 dx is equal to. Very simple question, dear students. We can write like this: e raised to x, x raised to 5 plus 1 plus 5 into x raised to 4 bariboda. So we are having a formula, dear students. Can you remember? E raised to x, f of x plus f dash of x. Previous video nalli ee tara iddid problems anna ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So ಆದರೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ. So integration of e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x andre, so e raised to x f of x plus c ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So this is the formula. So now f of x andre ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ? Sir, f of x is what? You will say that is I am taking it as x raised to x, x raised to 5 plus 1. ಇದರ derivative ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? X raised to 5 derivative is 5 into x raised to 4. 1 derivative is 0. So can you see this? This is looking like f of x and this is looking like f dash of x. So then my answer is what? E raised to x into f of x. F of x andre enu? X raised to 5 plus 1 plus c, dear students. So that is our required answer. That is matching with the D. D for Delhi is our answer, dear students. So please copy this. We will go for the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 50. integration of 1 divided by x minus root x dx is very simple. Half century we came. So now see here, put t is equal to root x dear students. Put t is equal to root x. Square them both sides. T square is equal to x will get dear students. Square and root will get cancelled. Squaring up both sides. So derivative differentiate this one. So 2t dt by dx with respect to x I am doing. So derivative of x is 1. So now what we will get, see here, 2t dt dx you cross multiply, dx into 1 is dx. So now you substitute in the given equation, so the given problem. So 1 into dx is what? 1 into dx is dx only. Dx value is how much? 2t dt dear students, whole divided by x value is how much? X is t square minus root x is how much? T. So t I can write. So now see here, dear students, t is common in this. T is common in denominator. T I can take it out. So t, if I take it out, t into t, t minus 1 we will get. T into t square. T into minus 1 is minus t. So this t get cancelled. 2 will come out. So I will remain with 1 upon t minus 1 into dt. Will you agree? So integration of 1 upon t minus 1 is log mod t minus 1. ಯಾವಾಗ ಲಾಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಗೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? 1/x. ಮತ್ತೆ t ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ 1 ಇದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಆಗಿ 2t minus 1 ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ t ಜೊತೆ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಜरूरತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿಗ t value is how much dear students? t ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. t value root x minus 1. So this is our required answer, that is matching with option D. D for Delhi is our correct answer dear students. So please copy this, we will go for the next question. So let us see the next question dear students. So integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square is tan inverse x dear students. And here we are having the definite integral 0 to pi by 0 to root 3 dear students. Intervals are given. So now you substitute first one as tan inverse root 3 first interval. ಇದು ಎರಡನೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕುವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ tan inverse ರೂಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅದು. ಸೊ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು 0 ಹಾಕಿ, tan inverse 0. So now see here, tan inverse root 3 and is to pi by, in which angle tan inverse root 3 will become? 60 degree. Pi by 3 minus tan inverse 0 and 0. So pi by 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So answer pi by 3 minus 0 is pi by 3. So our option is A. A for aha is the answer dear students. Please copy this. We'll go for the next question. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 52. Integration of 0 to pi sin square x by 2 minus cos square x by 2 dx is equal to. So easily you can find this also. So I will write ulta. Minus sign will come out. You see here. Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Sir, how you have written? ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥನೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ? कैसा लिखा समझ में नहीं आया. So minus into cos square x by 2 is minus cos square x by 2, minus into minus plus sin square x by 2. Now you understood. So we are having the formula dear students. Cos 2x is what? Cos square x minus sin square x. So in first year you have learned this. Cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. So we can write like this here. Here how much it is? 2x. 2x half is how much? 1. 2x is अर्धा 1x आगता है. So 1x you have written. Suppose you think here only x comes. 1x is the अर्धा x by 2 आगता है. So x is the अर्धा x by 2 आगता है मಕ್ಕಳೇ. अर्थ आಯ್ತಾ? So this is what I am saying. Sin square x by 2. So 2x ಇದ್ದು 1x ಆದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ. ಸೊ 1x ಇದ್ದು x/2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ x/2. This is what we are saying. Understood this? cos square x/2 minus sin square x/2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So what is the formula there? Cos square x/2 minus sin square. Why I written you understood now. So because of I can get cos x. Integration of cos x is, that is sin x pi 0 to pi interval. So you can keep first is sin pi minus sin 0. Sin pi andre sin pi is how much? 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Sin pi is 0 dear students. तेरी पाई, मेरी पाई, इसका पाई, उसका पाई, सबका पाई 0 होता है. So then sin pi is also 0. Sin 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 into minus is 0. So that is our answer. Our answer is matching with A. A for awesome. We'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us see the next question dear students. Question number 53. Integration of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin raised to 7x dx is equal to. Very simple question. Try to understand here. First of all, you should know this is a even and odd function. Minus a to Ballardev. We have given a name for this. Can you remember this? Minus a to a f of x dx. So we can define like this. 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f is an even function, if f even function, we can write that much. Can understand? So 0 if f odd function. So even function or odd function andre enu? So even function and odd function means even function andre f of minus x will give f of x only dear students. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರೆ? ಆಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಆಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇವನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. So now see whether our function is odd or even. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಟು ಎ ಇದೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಟು ಎ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್? a is pi by 2. So now see f of x I will take it as what here? Sin raised to 7x. So I can write it as sin x raised to 7. No problem. Sin x raised to 7 means sin raised to 7x we can get, dear students. So now see here I will replace x by minus x. So sin of minus x, x is replaced by minus x. Can you observe here? X anna tagudu minus x hakidini. So what will happen? Sin of minus x is minus sin x. Minus sin x raised to 7. Odd idre idu negative uliyata. Even idre positive aagta ittu. So if it is even, no, it would have been positive. But here it is odd. Minus sin x raised to 7 means minus sin raised to 7x. ಈಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ನೋ? sin raised to 7x. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ I wrote. f of minus x is giving minus f of x means f of minus x is giving minus f of x means given function is odd. So therefore f is an odd function. Odd function. Therefore I value will become, integration value will become 0 dear students. This is only I, this. So I value will become 0. So option A is correct. A for awesome. Awesome is our correct answer. So dear students, so many questions we have solved. You are observed also. If you have understood something, thoda to samajh mein aaya to please like my channel. See how many efforts we have done on this. You know that. So please support and help me. Please like my channel and comment us. So if you are understanding anything from this channel, fine. So we will meet in my next class. Tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you dear students. Please copy this.